In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a new board in Trello. Whether you're organizing tasks, planning a project, or simply looking for a better way to manage your to-do list, Trello is a fantastic tool for staying organized. Creating a new board is one of the first and most important steps to get started with Trello. In this tutorial, I'll walk you through the process step by step, so even if you're brand new to Trello, you'll be up and running in no time. Let's dive in. First, open your preferred web browser and navigate to www.trello.com. Once the page loads, take a look in the top right corner. If you're not already signed in, click on Login. Now, you'll need to enter your email address and password to access your account. If you prefer, you can also choose a single sign-on option, like using your Google or Microsoft account. Once you've filled in your details, click the Login button, and you'll be directed to your Trello dashboard. From your dashboard, it's time to locate the option to create or add a new board. Usually, you'll see this as a card with a plus sign or inside a menu labeled Create. Once you've found it, click Create New Board. Next, you'll be prompted to give your new board a title. Think about the purpose of this board and choose a name that clearly reflects what it will be used for. For example, you could name it Project Planning, Weekly Tasks, or anything else that fits your needs. After naming your board, you'll need to set its visibility. Trello offers 3 options: private, workspace, or public. Private means only you and the people you invite can see the board. Workspace shares it with your team members, while public makes it accessible to anyone with the link. Select the visibility setting that works best for your situation. Finally, click the Create button to finish setting up your board. And that's it. Your new board is ready to go. You can now start customizing it with lists, cards, and all the features Trello has to offer. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe.